Tesla is improving Giga Berlin free train service for employees. Tesla will expand its factory shuttle service in Germany beginning January 4th, adding direct rail trips from Berlin Ostbahnhof to Giga Berlin-Brandenburg in Grünheide. The upgraded link, which features trips aligned with shift schedules, reduces travel time to roughly 35 minutes despite ongoing construction in other stations. With this initiative, Tesla aims to boost the number of Gigafactory Berlin employees commuting by rail while keeping the shuttle free for all riders. New shuttle route. As noted in a report from RBB24, the new service will run between the Berlin Ostbahnhof E station and the Erkner station at the Gigafactory. Tesla stated that the timetable mirrors shift changes for the facility's employees, and similar to before, the service will be completely free. The train will offer 6 direct trips per day as well. The service includes 6 daily trips, which also cover our shift times, Tesla stated. The trains will run between Berlin Ostbahnhof, with a stop at Ostkreuz and Erkner station to the Gigafactory. Even with construction continuing at Fangschluss and Köpenick stations, the company said the route has been optimized to maintain a predictable 35-minute travel time. The upgrade follows earlier phases of Tesla's self-funded shuttle program, which initially connected Erkner to the factory grounds before expanding to Berlin-Lichtenberg. Tesla pushes for majority rail commuting. Tesla began production at Grünheide in March 2022, and the factory's workforce has since grown to around 11,500 employees, with an estimated 60% commuting from Berlin. The facility produces the Model Y, Tesla's best-selling vehicle, for both Germany and other territories. The company has repeatedly emphasized its goal of having more than half its staff rely on public transportation rather than cars, positioning the shuttle as a key part of that initiative. In keeping with the factory's sustainability focus, Tesla continues to allow non-employees to ride the shuttle free of charge, making it a broader mobility option for the region, as the site's output and workforce continue to scale. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.